Men categorize women in one of 4 ways. Mothers, virgins, sluts, and bitches.
So are you ready?
Yeah, hold on.
Men categorize women in one of 4 ways. Mothers, virgins, sluts, and bitches. Of course, none of the above is suitable for the modern businesswoman. But you can create your own image by selecting pieces of each archetype that work for you. For example, the sexual attractiveness of the slut.
Very amazing.
The wisdom of the mother. The integrity of the virgin. The independence of the bitch. This leaves men confused and unable to pigeonhole you. What they are forced to do instead is take you seriously. Sluts and bitches.
I'll get in your face. Okay, go.
No, it's out of the question. I'm not going, you're not going.
Come on, you let your allergies ruin everything.
I don't care. I don't want to go. I know you want to go, but no, my allergies are acting up. Your allergies were acting up. When we want to go is when it's pollen season, and it's high pollen season. How are we going to have a good time then?
Come on. You're so dramatic. Just loosen up, have a good time. take your medicine.
You know what? The last time I took my medicine and we went somewhere, I didn't have a great time because the pollen was so high that the medicine didn't work.
Come on, you let your allergies ruin all your fun.
I know you want to go see the dinosaurs, but what if something bad happens, like in the movies?
Come on, they're the coolest creatures on Earth.
Okay, I know that, but what if they get out and we're trapped and all of a sudden our allergies act up, you have them bad too, and then they give us away and we get ate?
It's not gonna happen. Just calm down and relax. We're gonna have a great time.
I know you say this, but I can't relax. My allergies is just all I think about because they're all consuming my life. I'm telling you. I told you so. I'm telling you, whenever we get in this, and it's your allergy season.
That wasn't 15 seconds.
Oh my eyes.
I have to watch a lot of cartoons. One of the things I saw a lot in these cartoons was that they're sneezing at Pepper. And I was just thinking, like, I never sneeze at Pepper. And I have like a pepper grinder that I use almost every day. And I'm never sneezing at Pepper. Is that weird? Are people sneezing when they're using Pepper? Why were they showing us people sneezing at Pepper? Like, it was a lot. Like, I have several shows, like, in my brain that I'm thinking of, like, showing people sneezing at Pepper. Was it propaganda? Did they just not want us having Pepper? Like, what was going on?
First, I want to say thank you to all the Neese tribe, subscribers and Patreon members. We could not do this without you. You guys keep us lifted up and supported.